Okay, so I spent some time trying to figure out exactly how the mechanical switch itself works. And it's pretty cool. So on the underside of this front face, you can see the little triangles. And there's another insert where there are also triangles. So those two slide together. And that's part of the rotating portion, which rotates the LED casing, I guess. The LED casing. And that has a little tab, this black tab. It doesn't really move, it doesn't do much of anything. And then the conductor sits right in here. Shrink. If I can get it to fit. Any day. Okay. So it sits in there like that, and this black little tab, when it rotates left or right, will push the conductor open or closed, causing the electricity or the current from the batteries to run through the LEDs. Really cool. This resistor, I did have to look it up because I don't follow the color codes closely. But orange is 3 and black is 1. So it's 3 times 1. So this is a 3 ohm resistor. The size, 3 ohms isn't gonna do a whole lot, but apparently it does something for the circuit itself. But you know, really simple, but mechanically pretty cool. Ching 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 ching. Dig it.